why? More music. Work and happiness. Work and happiness. That's good. All right, family. Blessed love to you all. Greetings and welcome to the channel. It's your brother, Prince Ayoko, sending my greetings live to you at my mega project, Queen's Guest House. How are you doing? How is your morning going on? And how is our families at your side going? It's a lovely Friday afternoon and a very sunny Friday afternoon. And here we are here once again, just pushing through to make Queen's House project come to an end. You understand? We are just pushing through, working hard every day on the clock, using the energy, using the talents, using our own resources, using our own finances, just pushing through to make things happen. When I say using our own finances, using my own finances, you understand, to make everything happen. This particular project is a project that no one has contributed anything into. You understand? It is a project that I'm having for this generation and the next generation. You understand? It's a project that belongs to all. You understand? And it's a project that is dedicated to queens. So that's why you see the kings working hard to build this empire for the queens. You understand? And the kings as well. So today I'm just going to show you what we're doing. We are creating the entryway to the lounge. As you can see, I have chiseled here. I chiseled here for us to, mount some design pillars here, and chisel this size as well for us to mount these pillars and just make the entryway very nice and clean. And Bajanfo is also here. Bajanfo is also here busily working. So as you can see, my electrician fixed this particular MK boxes about 2 days ago. That was a day before yesterday. And then yesterday was the Eid. We couldn't come back to work because of the holiday. So happy Eid to all my brothers and sisters all over the world. Happy Eid Mubarak to you all. I pray that the Almighty God and the ancestors will accept our prayers, protect us, our enemies. You understand? To me, I don't have an enemy because no matter what my enemy do, they can never succeed in overcoming me. My heart is the one that protects me. So you see, my heart, the Almighty Creator, that is the Almighty Allah, and my ancestors is my source of protection. So I don't care if, disruptors or whatever they call themselves are trying to make things look like that is not what it is. To me, I know what it is, and what it is what we are doing. Work. It is about work and staying focused as well. In this life, there's a lot of things that when you do, a lot of people will still try to kind of, bring down your progress just because they can't afford to get what you are doing. You understand? Or just because they wish they have what you are doing and they don't have it, and now they are just making it look like, let's bring this person down so we'll all be the same. Well, it's just a matter of bringing yourselves down and not Prince Ayoko. Prince Ayoko is very focused and serious-minded, as well as business-minded. You understand? I just come out from my farms this afternoon, feeding my animals and coming to continue work. So I have I have, I have everything that it takes, that can take me to do this without any support from no one. You understand? Yeah. So I'm just showing you what we are doing today and sharing with you a little bit about me and this project. You understand? So Mbajanfo is also here. Jankwane. Mbajanfo is also here, very busy working, plastering the walls to the lounge and just making everything look so nice. So as you can see, the wall that we were chiseling just 2 days ago, this is how it looks right now. This is how the whole thing looks right now. You see? And Umar is busily fetching water from the cistern, that is from the underground water tank. This is the self-sufficiency life we're talking about. As I always say, we're not buying water again. No to buying water. You understand? This is the real self-sufficiency life, where you can have your own things, your own resources that you use, that you don't even depend on the government, that you don't even think about what the government is doing, not to talk about it. You understand? So those who are shouting, talking about government and everything, they are lazy people. Forget about the government and go and work. Go and find your own way of living. You understand? So that's what we are doing here. It's all about, plastering the walls to the lounge, and then also, dressing up things to make nice. All these places is gonna come back and dress it very neatly. Yeah, as you can see, work is going on pretty well and very neat. As you can see, I'm just sharing this. I'm just sharing this for people to know what is going on today, and to also learn from what we are doing, because I know in the future a lot of people is gonna get into construction, especially building, and I would like everyone to benefit from what I am sharing, such that in the future when you have this kind of project, it's gonna be easier for you, much easier for you. Yeah. And we are enjoying some Malian music, some Wangara music from Mali, from Sister Humu, So that's what we're enjoying right now. It's all about work and happiness, Yes. So this is what we call men at work. Men at work. Men at work. That's how I'm gonna title this video, Men at Work, or Kings at Work. Yes, it's gonna be Kings at Work, because that's the reality. This is what our grandparents were doing, to have these homes that we live on for several years until we are all building our own houses. You understand? And this is my second house that I'm building. Actually, not my first house. It's actually my second house. So I've had my first house some years ago. So it's all about just making people see what we are doing and sharing with you a little bit about me. So when the launch is finished, it's gonna be one place that everybody will want to come and see. How did Prince Ayoko come by this plan? So it's all about what is going on today, and everything is coming so nicely and pretty well. So Jahafo's man is also here, busily mixing up some concrete for us to use to pour on the sides of the septic tanks that we built, the 2 septic tanks. So they are going to mix the concrete so that we will pour them on the sides. You understand? When we pour it on the side, that is, when they built it, the small space that is left in between the pit and the wall. So we're going to, fill it with concrete, but not throughout, just maybe 10 inches concrete, and that one is to make the foundation strong. It is supposed to make the foundation very strong before we cover it with the gravel. You understand? So that's more of what we are doing, and I'll take you there for you to see exactly what we are doing, and for you to also learn how, when you build your septic tank and you are going to cover the sides with soil, what you have to do first before covering it with the gravel or whatever soil. So just keep watching and see this informative contents that I'm going to share with you. A lot of people are saying that, look, this is Prince, what is the Prince doing? Like, look, that's the Prince, and so on. They say that's the Prince, what is he doing, and so on. Look, when you are a Prince doesn't mean that you shouldn't work. When you are a Prince, you have so many responsibilities, and it is, mostly about community and family. So most of these responsibilities usually have to do with money. So if you are not able to work hard in order to do whatever you can do to take care of those responsibilities, don't expect to be sitting down, chopping your father's property just in the name of, you are Prince, just, because you are Prince. Work hard, you understand? Work hard and overcome your responsibilities, and work hard and overcome your dreams. It's not about, a Prince sitting down making himself big or whatever. No. Simplicity are used to survive. Simplicity. This is what men has to use. This is what men have to use their energy to do. Work. And that is why you see me have these beautiful houses for the queens. So I'm gonna take you for you to see how they do it. Let me work, huh? So you see how we do it. We pour the concrete on the sides so that the foundation will be solid and strong, like a lion. And this will also protect the walls to the house as well. It will add some reinforcements to it. Now, you see, this is the septic tank. This is the septic tank, and you can see that wait, small please. You can see that we have plastered it already. We have plastered the septic tanks already, and we have not completed this building this one because there was a shortage of the bricks, just a shortage of like 8 bricks. So I had some new bricks made, and when they finish working today, they're just gonna come and lay this place. And whatever time they come, maybe tomorrow they'll come back and then just plaster this side so that the carpenter will come, and then they have to build this place to make it complete. So that is like, let me see, 6, 8. So let's say that's 10 bricks. So when they finish, the carpenter, Master Chris, will come around and then make the wooden frames for us to put rebars, that is iron rods, on the top, and then just cast it with concrete. So keep following and see what we're going to do. So as you can see, this is the second septic tank. For this one, the building of it is completed. The building is completed. As you can see, this is the deepness of it. Everything is looking nice. The inside has been plastered, and it is 3 chambers. So that is 1, 2, 3 chambers. So this one, what is left is for us to just pour the concrete on the sides, for it to be strong, and then we'll just cover it with the gravel that my ancestors and the Almighty God, gave me. So one thing again that I'm going to show you today is just a bonus of this video. You see my animal waste. A couple of farmers has already come for their share. That is the organic manure that I have from my farms. But my next door neighbor has given me some parcel of land to farm. So very soon, I'm going to be spreading it on the land to plant peanuts. We call it groundnuts, and some call it peanuts in the States. I'm going to plant groundnuts because my animals like to eat the leaves of groundnut, and it's very, nutritious to the animals. It has a lot of protein in it. So I'm going to plant peanuts, and I'm planning on harvesting, like doing it twice this year. So hopefully within next week till next 2 weeks, I will start it. In 3 months, it will be ready. We'll still be having the rainfalls. When I harvest, I'll stock my groundnut leaves. I'll dry it up and then just, keep it at my animals' store where I store their feed. So right after that, I'll clear the land, turn it over again, use some organic manure again, and plant for the second time of planting in the season. So just follow me. You will learn a lot about farming and about building this time. You understand? So just follow me, and I'll show you, the last thing before we go. That is a Gonja traditional dance. I don't know how to dance it. So I'm going to show you the surprising thing that I'm going to show you our newcomers in my garden. You understand? I'm going to show you the new plants that I brought to the garden today. So let's all welcome aloe vera. Let's all welcome aloe vera into the Queen's, guest house. You understand? Very soon I'm gonna be calling it Queen's Palace. So that's the aloe vera that you see, and let me just welcome it. I pray that you will live with us in peace, and I pray that you will live with us to bear some more aloe veras that can cure people, that can bring happiness to people. That I also wish that you also live here as happily as you want, and I pray that the Almighty Creator and our ancestors will keep here safely and protect you from anyone that will harm you, to break you. And then this is the second aloe vera, and I'm making that same prayers to all of them. So I pray for all the best for the 2 of you, my plants, and I wish you all the best and welcome you to Queens. So family, thank you very much for your time. And these are the indigenous plants that I brought last week. See how they are surviving. You see them. So family, this is where I'm going to come to the end of today's video. Today has been a very busy day for me, as you can see. See how, I am. So till we meet again, sometime, either tomorrow or whatever, I'm sending my blessed love, peace to you all. I pray that the Almighty God and the ancestors will continue, to add us some more strength, because we are already strong. You understand? And I pray that the Almighty God and our ancestors will continue to protect us, bless us, make us love each other for nothing but who we are, and then just, make us live in peace and harmony. I pray that whoever is sick will be healed. And I pray that whoever is not having any kind of, sickness, I pray that they will continue to live without sickness. And I pray that people who are going through financial situations, their problems will be down. I pray that the Almighty God will fix everything for everyone. Look, all for one, one for all. Love for all, hatred for none. Love for all, hatred for none. Stay blessed, stay focused, and remain strong. Peace.